Calling all schools. Are you looking to empower your students with courses in coding, development, and more, but struggling to find tech teachers? With the high demand for qualified educators and the unique talents of each student, creating personalized courses can be challenging. Junior IT is your solution. Our AI agent is designed to bridge the gap in 3 main ways. Customized learning. Tell us what you need, whether it's a JavaScript loop lesson or a calculus course, and our AI agent will research, generate content, and craft a course tailored to your specifications. Interactive engagement. Students receive interactive courses that adapt based on their performance. If a student needs extra help, the AI automatically provides additional support. Automated efficiency. The entire process is automated. Teachers can concentrate on nurturing individual student strengths and addressing challenges. Imagine this. Day 1. You share your educational goals and student details with the AI. It promptly crafts and distributes all necessary course materials and assessments. Day 2. A detailed report arrives, indicating the progress of each student. No need for manual intervention. The AI customizes follow-up lessons for those needing extra attention. Day 3. Progress soars, with 70% of students grasping the content. The AI adapts, preparing resources for the rest to ensure no one falls behind. Day 4. Triumph! Every student has mastered the material. Junior IT isn't limited to just coding and tech. It extends to history, science, and more. And for early adopters, it's free. Don't wait. Contact Junior IT today and witness our AI agent in action.